continue. Question number 3. Question is, find the Cartesian equation of the following planes. The A part. Equation of plane is given in the vector form. It is R dot I k plus j k minus k k equal to 2. Student, R is the position vector of any point on the plane. So here R vector equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So it is xi plus yj plus zk dot ik plus jk minus kk equal to 2. Now there is a dot product of two vectors. So it will be x plus y minus z equal to 2. This is the Cartesian equation of the plane. And student, you will try rest part yourself. Student, now question number 4. In the following cases, find the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane. Here equation of plane is 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 12 equal to 0. Student, it is the general equation of plane. Like that. There is a plane. A perpendicular is drawn from origin to the plane. Let it is the coordinate n. So you have to find the coordinate of n. N is called foot of perpendicular. Student, we will convert given equation of plane into the normal form. So it is divided by both sides by the term 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Means divided by root a square plus b square plus c square. This side also. Then it is 2 upon, it is 4 plus 9 plus 14. So it is 16. 4 is 16. So it is 25 plus 4, 29. Root 29. X plus 3 upon root 29 y plus 4 upon root 29 z is equal to 12 upon root 29. Now the direction cosine of the normal to the plane. Direction cosine of the normal to the plane. It is 2 upon root 29, 3 upon root 29 and 4 upon root 29. Now, equation of, let the coordinate of foot of perpendicular is x, y, z. So equation of ON. Equation of ON. Let there is any point on that, it is P coordinate x1, y1, z1. Another point is origin. So by using 2-point form, equation of ON is x1 minus 0 upon 2 upon root 29 equal to y1 minus 0 upon 3 upon root 29 Z1 upon 4 upon root 29 equal to, let it is lambda. Lambda is any real number. So x1 is 22 lambda upon root 29, 3 lambda upon root 29, 4 lambda upon root 29. Student, this n, coordinate of n, lie on the plane. It lies on plane. Since n lies on plane, therefore 2 into 2 lambda upon root 29 plus 3 into 3 lambda upon root 29 plus 4 into 4 lambda upon root 29 equal to 12. Here lambda common, it is 4 plus 9 plus 16 upon root 29 equal to 12. Student, their addition is 29. So it is 29 upon root 29 equal to 12 is cancelled. It is root 29. From this we will get lambda, which is 12 upon root 29. Therefore, coordinate of n it is 2 upon root 29 into 12 upon root 29, comma 3 upon root 29 into 12 upon root 29, 4 upon root 29 into 12 upon root 29. Then it is 24 upon 29, 36 upon 29 and 48 upon 29 is the coordinate of foot of perpendicular. Student, now question number 5. Find the vector and the Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the point 1, 0, minus 2 and the normal to the plane. It is I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Student, it is the normal vector. Normal vector. Student, as you know, one point form of the plane is A x minus x1 plus B y minus y1 plus C z minus z1 equal to 0, where A, B, C are the direction ratios of the normal to the plane. So here A, B, C are the coefficient of I, J, K. 1, 1, minus 1. And this is the point x1, y1, z1. It is A, B, C. So required equation of the plane It is 1 into x minus 1 plus 1 into y minus 0 minus 2 into z plus 1 equal to 0. Or it is x plus y minus 2z and it is equal to 3. And the vector form is r vector dot. It is I plus j minus 2k equal to 3. It is the vector form.